So this is a tutorial on how to get SAFEMOON, SAFEMARS, SAFEBTC. So you would need to buy, so in your Binance, you would buy BNB, your Binance coin. So you could buy with a credit card, well, not a credit card, or that might tax you. If it's deemed as cash, I wouldn't advise using a credit card. Coinbase is definitely seen as cash with your credit card, but we can buy. You would buy BNB, then you can go to withdraw. Right now, I believe the withdrawing was suspended. I think there's a lot of people doing SafeMoon and SafeBars and stuff like that, or they're doing an upgrade maybe, but you go to withdraw, then crypto. You could get that from your wallet as well, but I went from buy, then you can get the deposit and withdraw in the same place. You would change this to BNB. So my account would have had it. But here you would have had the option to click Binance Smart Chain. You can see the estimated recovery is 8 o'clock. So you would have had the option then here would say 2. So you need to set up Metamask. Now to set up Metamask, you would just search connecting Metamask to Binance Smart Chain, and this Academy Binance will come up, and you will copy these DLs here to your Metamask account. You just click on the arrow, custom RPC, and then you would add, you can just copy those DLs to here. So I've done this already. You just copy them, and then you would click add network, or at the bottom here, you would click save, and then it would be there. So now when I go back, your Metamask is set up. You would have transferred your BNB. So you would see your balance, but I've already done this. So then I would connect. Now you would go to pancakeswap. So to get to pancakeswap, you would just search pancakeswap. You can click it here. You could do this on your phone, but I prefer doing it on the PC, on the laptop. It's a lot easier. Then I think that connects by itself, but we would go to trade. So you can see on pancakeswap, now it's connected to my Metamask, but you would go to trade, exchange, and then you would have to, sometimes you have to press connect, but it's done it already. It's connected me. So I can click max to see. It hasn't loaded my BNB value yet. So max. Now to get the address, you can go to coingecko. So where we can go to coingecko. So on coingecko. Then we can click, we want SafeMoon. So you can see it's done 103% today already. You can see my previous video where I've done everything you need to know about SafeMoon. Although I didn't mention the CEOs. Today we'll be looking at what the CEOs are saying as well, their new releases as well, or their new roadmap and their plans. So you copy this address here. Then you can go to pancakeswap. So you want it from your BNB to, so I can copy and paste the address, SafeMoon. Now it's saying your slippage has to be 12% because of their economic system. They take 10% fee for any transaction. 5% goes to existing holders. 5% goes to liquidity. So confirm. So it's not connected here. So connect again to my Metamask. When that loads. But to change the slippage, you click on this here. So we click on here. You can change it to 12%. Press X, press connect again, hasn't connected. Let's see what's going on. Oh, my password, that's why. So put in my password. Unlock. So now, I don't know why it logged me out anyway. I was connected a second ago. So connect, Metamask. So remember, I changed the slippage by pressing this. It told us it wants 12%. Maybe the system's down a bit. Might reload it. So let me see, just refresh the screen. There we go. So I can do the paste address, see SAFEMOON. See, click I understand, continue. Now, I'm just going to pretend I want 100. I've already done this, and we can see I've got my slippage. I click swap, click confirm swap, and then that would go through. So we can click confirm swap. And then while you're waiting for confirmation, this would come up actually to make sure you confirmed it. So you can see practically nothing for gas fees. Confirm. That's gone in the Binance Smart Scan. And we'll look at the scan in a second to compare SAFEMOON, SAFEMARS, and SAFEBTC. Then to get the other ones, again, you would go to CoinGecko, can search SAFEBTC. Now, why I'm getting into these or got into these is because these are, remember, this is not financial advice, but this new way of yield rewards is being a lot of hype around it and celebrities pumping things. So if you can see, that's already come through. That's why it's got a notification because I'm sharing my screen. So you would go to SAFEMARS, copy this address again on pancakeswap instead of this one. Then I copy this page, this address, just enter. It will tell you to add and confirm. I've already added it, so I just click it. Then again, you can decide how much you want. I've already done this, so you can see my balance already. But if I just click 100, now I will change my slippage back to try just 1% as normal and see what it says. If it doesn't work, then make your slippage higher. So I can click swap. Remember, slippage is just how far you're willing the price to change for it to allow the transaction to go through. So I can click 1%. That seems to be working. Click confirm. And I would do the same thing for SAFEMARS. So SAFEMARS, again on CoinGecko, you search SAFEMARS. See, this has done 826% in 24 hours, 536,130 days. So these are crazy hype going on with these coins right now. That's why they probably too much usage on Binance. It could have crashed, but we copied it. pancakeswap, then again, click here, copy that token address, and now I've got SAFEMARS. It would have told you to add, but I've already added it. And again, you'll click how much you want. You could max out your BNB, but bear in mind, you'll need a little bit for the gas fees. Although the gas fees are practically nothing. Click 100. I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. Click swap. You have to confirm your Metamask. And I'm going to go through why I got into these. Confirm. So if we look on the scan, actually, you can see, so this the Binance Smart Chain scan, you can see it's pending. You can see my address. And if I was to search different tokens here, so SAFEMOON, we have to compare them. So SAFEMOON, you can see SAFEMOON just launched, but it's got 844,000 addresses, nearly 1 million people. SAFEMARS, which launched close to the same time, has got 228,000 people. So the hype is growing and growing. And SAFEBTC, so all those transactions happen, but it's hidden because I'm recording, as 107,000 people. So why SAFEMARS? So SAFEMARS, you can see their website here. They are telling us autonomous yield and liquidity generation protocol. Simply hold SAFEMARS in your wallet and you'll get more. On each transaction, the protocol automatically distributes rewards to holders as well as auto-locks liquidity forever. You can join the Telegram group to stay updated. They're planning to get this exchange. So let's see the roadmap. So safe launch, Q1, liquidity locked, burn 53% of total supply, see the black hole, done, listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, done, smart contract audit. So this is very important for companies to tell they are not more scammy. Have they done an audit? And is that audit by trusted auditors as well? So let's see, where's the rest of the roadmap? So I can't see the rest of the roadmap, but they are very new, and we can see even SAFEBTC now. So SAFEBTC, new coin listed. So what is SAFEBTC? Yield generation protocol, 4% fee per transaction, 2% locked in liquidity and burned, 2% distributed to holders, 60% of the tokens have been burned, fair launched, audited, community owned, ownership renounced. Contract is safe and locked. Why SAFEBTC? Competitive benefits. SAFEBTC combines the safety of a store of value such as Bitcoin with the financial advantages of DeFi, which is decentralized finance. SAFEBTC overview. We welcome you to the world of SAFEBTC, a combination of profitable yield generating DeFi and safe store of value Bitcoin. There's no doubt that both worlds have offered disrupting possibilities. The impact cannot be emphasized well enough, as they have given the cryptocurrency ecosystem a reason to live and thrive, and as of today surpass the 2 trillion market cap globally. It is a pleasure to introduce this life-changing opportunity token. The aim is to be at the forefront of wealth generation and a better and fairer economic standard of living. So the first juicy feature is a penalty applied to transactions. This penalty increases the liquidity, reduces the supply, and rewards token holders. So it's all inflationary, which is what we are liking. So what else can we see? Even SafeMoon, some bullish fundamentals on SafeMoon. We can see that the CEO here, the cryptocurrency SafeMoon, is due to be listed on 2 new exchanges. Its creators have announced in the Arts of Anything Roundtable. In the roundtable, the currency's developers, including CEO John Caroni and CTO Thomas Smith, discussed updates to the currency, including its own exchange platform, which is in development. Few details were available at the time. It was not revealed which 2 exchanges SafeMoon will be listed on, and we're hoping for Binance. Viewers were encouraged to check back on Wednesday or Thursday. Currently, the currency is listed on Bitmark exchange, but not on the major leading platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Junior M.A. Smith said SafeMoon's own token exchange was in the architecture phase. He added the exchange would work in a similar way to the token, in that we would get... What's this? Close this. So, what else did we want to look at? So we looked at the roadmap. So remember, it's not financial advice. You would be looking at, I've got my other videos, the beginner basics, what you should look at before you do any type of investments, what questions you would ask. Let's have a look. So another thing that is good to look at is on poocoin. You can see if something is a rug pull. So poocoin, we can copy the SAFEMARS address. So if I copy that there, and to add this to your Metamask as well, actually. So after you bought Metamask, it might not show on your Metamask unless you add it here. So click add to Metamask. This will come up. And then you click add token. I've already got it, but you click add token, and then you can do the same for the SafeMoon and all of that if it's not showing up in your address in your Metamask account. But poocoin is a good thing to look at, because we can see if something's a rug pull. So I can paste the address of SafeMars, because basic things to check: did they burn 50%? And they've not told you why, because it's a trick sometimes to mislead people into thinking 20% holder is a 10% holder. Check that they have locked the LP. For example, this is the BNB LP. You can click on of the selected token. Some tokens may be used for BUCD. If the top holder has almost 100% of the supply and is a wallet address, the LP has not been locked or burned. So that is a very red flag the top holders of wallet address, not contract address. If the top holder LP has the burn address, any address starting with 0, the LP is burned. So you can see here is how much there was at the beginning. Here we've got, and that's how much is in the contract. In the wallet, they sent this to a contract dead address. You can see the top wallets of these. So it's all interesting, and you can copy and paste the other coins there as well and do some investigation to see if the token has pools and farms. The top holder will usually be a pool/farm contract. So I will be definitely following these new systems of yield generation and see what's happening. But if we look at the charts, so even SAFEMARS, if you had £100, you would now have, just yesterday, today, you would now have had like £800 because that's a 7x. So 100, you had 100%, you add 739% to what you've got, you now got 839%. So just call it times 8. So you had £100, you now have 800. You had £1,000 yesterday, you would now have 8,000 in just 24 hours. In 30 days, we can see 536%. So that's a 500 or 636x. So in 30 days, you would, if you had £1, you now have £636. If you had £10, you would have 6,036. If you had £100, you would have 63,000. So 30 days, if you had £100, you would now have 63,000 from SAFEMARS. If you join at the beginning, you can see SAFEBTC. $222% in 24 hours. This is the newest one out of all of them. So you see there's no 30-day data. But this is interesting time. So make sure you can subscribe. You can check my other videos. You can ask me questions on Telegram if there's more things you couldn't do. And I hope for your sakes, this will be up and running soon. I think they said 8 o'clock. But till then, we'll see you on the other side.